Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt frustrated because your car stereo is stuck in the past, with no CarPlay, no Android Auto, or just shaky Bluetooth, then today's review is for you. I'm going to walk you through 5 top-rated car stereo receivers, showing you how they solve those exact problems, and by the end, you'll know which one is right for you. Stick around, hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet, and check out the links in the description below. I'll drop the best deals there. Also, don't forget to leave a comment letting me know which product stood out to you and why. Starting at number 5, we have the Boss Audio System 6116 UAB. This is a single-DIN car stereo receiver that sports Bluetooth for both audio streaming and hands-free calling, a built-in microphone, MP3 playback via USB, an auxiliary input, and an AM/FM radio. It's rated to output up to 50 watts on 4 channels. What makes this unit stand out is its super affordable price, its dimmable button illumination, and even a wireless remote, so you can control it without fiddling with knobs. It's ideal for budget-conscious drivers who just want a reliable way to stream music and take calls without needing a fancy touchscreen. The shortcoming? The audio quality can feel a little tinny, especially at higher volumes. But, for what you pay, it's still absolutely worth it. At number 4, there's the $10 portable Apple CarPlay screen that supports both wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, with a 10-inch touchscreen, built-in 4K dash cam, a 1080p backup camera, mirror link, voice control, GPS navigation, music play, and Bluetooth connectivity. This device's standout feature is the massive, responsive screen that gives your older car a modern infotainment feel without replacing the head unit. Perfect for people who want CarPlay and Android Auto but don't want to do a full stereo swap. On the flip side, one drawback is that audio is sent through AUX/FM transmitter or its internal speaker, which may not match the richness of a proper head unit, but given its flexibility, it's still a very smart choice. Coming in third is a classic single-DIN car radio with Bluetooth, offering a straightforward design with Bluetooth music streaming, hands-free calling, USB and aux inputs, and a conventional AM/FM tuner. While there are many in this category, this one impresses by focusing on simplicity and reliability. It's ideal for users who don't need a screen, but still want modern connectivity in a small form factor, like people restoring classic cars or minimizing dash clutter. The trade-off here is that you don't get CarPlay or Android Auto or a display, but if all you need is solid basic connectivity, it's absolutely worth the investment. Next, at number 2, we have the 9.26 portable CarPlay screen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, comes with a 1600/600 IPS touch display, GPS navigation, 5.0 Bluetooth, OTA firmware updates, mirror link, voice control, and a backup camera input. What makes it stand out is the perfect balance between screen size and usability. At just 3.7 inches tall, it doesn't block much of your view, yet it gives you split-screen capabilities so you can navigate while controlling music. This is especially great for drivers who want CarPlay convenience in a compact, unobtrusive package. On the downside, audio quality again relies on AUX, FM, or Bluetooth output, so it might not deliver premium stereo sound. But for that form factor, you're still getting tremendous value. And finally, taking the top spot is the Pioneer MVH S230BT, a 1-DIN mechless digital media receiver that supports Bluetooth streaming and hands-free calling, USB input, which can also charge a device, and audio file formats including MP3, WMA, AAC, and WAV, while delivering up to 50 WWX4 power output. This unit stands out for its advanced sound retriever technology, which restores compressed audio detail for richer, clearer sound, and its very shallow chassis, making installation easier. It's ideal for users who want a sleek upgrade with quality sound, but don't care about a screen or CarPlay features. The one drawback, it lacks a touchscreen or advanced EQ tuning, but if you're fine with a minimalist, audio-focused upgrade, it's definitely worth it. So, there you have it. 5 standout car stereo receivers that cover a variety of needs, from ultra-budget Bluetooth head units, to big-screen CarPlay solutions, to high-quality audio-focused options. If you found this review helpful, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future gear breakdowns. Also, check out the links in the description below. I've handpicked the best deals for each of these products, and before you go, drop a comment telling me which of these is your favorite, or which one you plan to buy. I'd love to hear what you're thinking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.